The past perfect continuous is had been plus the present participle. Questions are had been plus the present participle. Negatives are had not been plus the present participle. The first use of the past perfect continuous is to show that something continued until another time in the past. I had only been waiting for 10 minutes when the bus arrived. How long had you been waiting before the bus arrived? I had not been waiting long before the bus arrived. The past perfect continuous is a good way to show why, too. I was really tired because I had been jogging. One final thing about the past perfect continuous is the difference with the past continuous. The past perfect continuous focuses on an event having a duration before the start of another event in the past, while the past continuous emphasizes that the past continuous action was interrupted by the past simple. These tenses do take time to understand, so watch the video again and don't forget to learn the examples. Thanks for watching, everyone, and thanks for listening. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for notifications of new videos.